Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to the Kamado Joe cooking channel. Today we're going to fire up the classic and we're going to do something I've never done before. We are going to make some black bean burgers and I'm ready to get started, so let's go. Okay, we're going to get started here. I've lit a fire in the firebox of my Kamado Joe Classic, mostly over here on the left side. I've put my heat deflectors over on the right just in case we need a two-zone setup. I'm going to set one half of the grill grate on each side up at the top level, and then I'm going to go ahead and set my soapstone up here at the top level also, and we're going to let the dome temperature of the grill come up to about 400 degrees while we get everything else ready. First thing I want to do here is make a little bit of spicy mayonnaise for these burgers. So what I'm going to do, I'm starting out with 1 cup of mayonnaise, and here I've got one of those one of those chipotle peppers in adobo sauce that comes in a can, and I've just chopped that thing up very finely, and then we're going to put about a tablespoon of the adobo sauce from that in there as well, and then I'm going to squeeze a little bit of fresh lime juice in on top of this. And then we're just going to mix that up completely. I'm going to squeeze just a little bit more lime into that. You're probably going to want to have a teaspoon, 1 to 2 teaspoons of lime juice in here. And get that mixed up real well, and just put this back in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it. Next thing I'm going to do in my food processor, I've got one probably a medium to small onion that I've quartered, and I've got some carrot coarsely chopped also, and I'm going to put this in here and we're going to mince that. We're going to get that pulsed up nice and fine. Okay, I've dumped that carrot and onion out on a stack of paper towels here, and I'm just going to kind of spread that out a little bit. What I want to do is try to get as much of the moisture out of this as I can. We don't want to put too much moisture into this black bean burger to help it not be so hard to hold together. So I'm just going to try to soak as much of the water out of that as I can here. Now we're going to get started on our patty. I've got in a mixing bowl here one 16-ounce can of black beans that I have drained and rinsed, and I'm going to put a little salt in there and a little fresh cracked black pepper, and I'm going to get to work with a fork just mashing this up. After I get all that torn apart here as best I can with the fork, I'm going to add in 2 cloves of finely minced garlic that I've run through my microplane grater, and then we're going to add our carrots and onions, and I'm going to mix that in. And once I get that mixed together, I'm going to add in some Italian breadcrumbs, some chili powder, some dried cumin, and a little bit of dried thyme, and mix that in. And then I'm going to add 1 beaten egg, and at that point I think I'm going to get in here with my hands and get that mixed up. And then I'm just going to toss that in the refrigerator until we're ready to make our patties. Okay, I took my burger meat here, if you want to call this meat. These are my black bean patties. I used my burger press to press these into some rather large patties. These are about half-pound size patties. They're man cave size patties. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stick these in the freezer for about 10 minutes just to firm these up really good. They're already fairly firm, but we're going to firm them up a little bit more before we take them to the grill. Okay guys, our grill's up to temp. Our soapstone's nice and hot. So I'm going to crack this open. We're going to put down a little bit of clarified butter here to get these patties going on. And then we'll just drop these on. We're going to sear these on both sides for about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. And we'll give these a chance and we'll come back and have a look. Okay, we've been going about 8 minutes here. So I'm going to open up. We're going to flip these guys over and let these continue to cook. Okay, we've been going about 10 minutes on each side since these are as thick as they are. So I'm going to take these off. We're going to take them in and build a burger. Okay, I made some beautiful homemade hamburger buns here, and we're going to start out. We're going to hit both sides of that with a little bit of our chipotle mayo that we made that's been riding in the fridge while we get all this other ready. And I'm going to load up the bottom of mine here with some leaf spinach. Put one of those big old bean patties on there. Get a little piece of tomato to go on top, and we'll top that guy off. Okay, I've sliced this bad boy in half, and this is ready to go. So this is going to be dinner tonight. So if you want to give a healthier burger option a try, something that's a little different, try this black bean burger. Let me know what you think. Join us on Facebook, facebook.com/Kamado Joe. Follow us on Twitter @Kamado Joe. And until next time, I'm John Setzler with Kamado Joe Cooking Channel.